Welcome everyone. Today, we present to you the top 9 best OBD2 scanners of this year. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will help you keep your vehicle in top condition. Let's dive into our list and find the perfect OBD2 scanner for your needs. OBD2 scanners come with a variety of features, ranging from basic code reading to advanced capabilities like live engine data display and vehicle computer reprogramming. We have evaluated and selected a diverse array of scanners to cater to different needs, from budget-friendly choices to high-end models brimming with features. As always, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video, provided right in the video description and in the pinned comment down below. Kicking off our list at number 9 is the Incel X7 HD, a top pick for those who work with trucks and diesel engines. This professional-grade scanner boasts a large 10.1-inch touchscreen and is designed for advanced diagnostics across various vehicle systems. With support for an extensive range of protocols including J1939, J1708, and J1587, the X7 HD is a powerhouse for any heavy-duty mechanic. It offers features like multi-axle diagnostics and a built-in camera for taking screenshots of your data. However, its high price tag and the fact that it's overkill for basic diagnostics make it a choice for those who specifically need truck and diesel engine support. Coming in at number 8, we have the Incel BD310. A standout choice for those seeking a Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 code reader. With a user-friendly app available for both Android and iOS, this scanner allows you to read engine codes wirelessly and monitor real-time data like engine temperatures. While it's a bit pricier than other basic scanners, the convenience of Bluetooth connectivity and a straightforward user experience make it a great option for those who value wireless functionality. Next up at number 7 is the Automaxicom MK808, known for its rich set of features and user-friendly design. This scanner features a 7-inch touchscreen and offers a wide array of diagnostic functions including ABS, SRS, and key coding. It's perfect for professional mechanics due to its extensive capabilities and free 1-year updates. However, the cost and the fact that ongoing updates require a subscription might be a drawback for some users. Despite this, the MK808's detailed vehicle data and comprehensive diagnostic features make it a valuable tool for any serious car technician. At number 6, we introduced the Launch CRP129E scan tool, a reliable option for those who want a high-quality OBD2 scanner with an impressive display. This tool features a large 5-inch screen and provides free lifetime updates. It supports a broad range of vehicles and offers functions such as live data graphing and SRS resets. While it does have some advanced features, it's worth noting that some features are sold separately, which could add to the overall cost. Holding steady at number 5 is the Innova Car Scan Advisor 5110. This scanner is noted for its ease of use and quick scanning speed, making it a great choice for those who need a reliable OBD2 scanner with Bluetooth capabilities. It supports ABS monitoring and is straightforward to use right out of the box. However, it's a bit more expensive than other basic scanners, and the ABS function may not work with older vehicles. At number 4, we have the Motopower MP69033, our pick for the best budget OBD2 scanner. This tool is exceptionally quick and easy to use for reading engine codes, though it lacks the ability to clear codes or perform emissions tests. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to check engine codes, the MP69033 is a fantastic option. However, its limited features and lack of advanced functions might not meet the needs of those requiring more in-depth diagnostics. In the number 3 spot is the Foxwell NT201, which offers solid performance as a consumer-friendly OBD2 scanner. This scanner excels in providing basic engine diagnostics and real-time data at an affordable price. While it lacks advanced features and isn't as durable as some other options, it is highly valued for its ease of use and straightforward functionality, making it a great choice for DIY mechanics. Coming in at number 2 is the Topton ArtiDiag 800BT, an excellent choice for those who need both a code reader and key programming capabilities. With a large display and support for numerous advanced functions, this scanner is perfect for professional use. It also includes free lifetime software updates, though its high price and relatively short battery life compared to corded models may be a consideration for potential buyers. And finally, our number 1 best OBD2 scanner of this year is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool. With an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 53,000 Amazon reviews, the BlueDriver stands out for its ease of use, compatibility, and valuable features. This scanner connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone, offering live data reports and smog test capabilities. It's praised for its user-friendly app and the ability to suggest potential repairs. While it does have some limitations with European cars, its its overall performance and convenience make it our top choice. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect OBD2 scanner for your needs this year. Whether you need advanced diagnostics or a basic code reader, there's something here for every automotive enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in and happy scanning. Thank you for watching. You can learn more about these excellent products by following the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.